After days of high-intensity combat and unprecedented escalation, the war has finally come to a halt. India has announced a ceasefire, but not without paying a steep price. In the skies, the Indian Air Force suffered significant losses. Among the most shocking was the destruction of 3 Rafael fighter jets, India's crown jewel in modern air combat. These jets, deployed for precision strikes deep inside enemy territory, were tracked and neutralized during intense aerial engagements and missile ambushes. Alongside the Rafaels, one Su-30 MKI, a frontline multi-role aircraft, was downed by Pakistan's surface-to-air missiles. A MiG-29, operating in the northern sector, was lost during a low-altitude interception attempt. India also lost a Mirage 2000, reportedly during a deep penetration mission across hostile airspace. Even unmanned systems weren't spared. Israeli Heron drones, used for surveillance and target acquisition, were intercepted and destroyed by advanced counter-drone systems. But the damage went far beyond the skies. On the ground, India's military infrastructure was hit hard by Pakistan's calculated retaliation. Using Fateh-1 and Fateh-2 tactical ballistic missiles, Pakistan targeted critical military installations across multiple sectors. High-resolution footage and satellite analysis reveal extensive damage to forward air bases, ammunition depots, fuel reserves, and even brigade headquarters in frontline zones. Multiple command and control centers were either destroyed or rendered inoperable, crippling communication and coordination during key hours of the conflict. In a surprising turn of events, Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder, equipped with precision-guided munitions, reportedly neutralized components of India's S400 air defense system, a platform considered virtually impenetrable. This strike not only demonstrated strategic depth, but also exposed vulnerabilities in India's layered air defense network. The ceasefire may have stopped the bullets, but it couldn't reverse the damage. India's war machine has taken a hit, not just in terms of equipment and infrastructure, but also in morale and military prestige. Artillery units and forward bases lie in ruins, while repair efforts across the affected regions are now underway. This conflict has redrawn strategic lines in South Asia. With key assets lost and air superiority challenged, India now faces not just rebuilding, but redefining its defense doctrine for future conflicts. Pakistan, on the other hand, has showcased the evolution of its retaliatory capabilities, from drones and missiles to precision targeting of critical infrastructure. Pakistan faces the same consequences. India launched air strikes, missile launches, drone attacks, and much more, resulting in the casualties of children. In retaliation, Pakistan waited, locking the military targets from which these attacks were conducted inside India. In 5:00 in the morning, Pakistan's military launched its retaliation answer to India. Now, the guns may be silent, but the lessons are loud and clear. This war may be over, but its impact will echo across military corridors, strategic circles, and defense policies for years to come.